This pandemic time has really sent us into uncharted territory. The world has been in chaos. Clearly, the virus has caused all sorts of upheaval. We've had economic upheaval, and it's been a troubling time for many organizations trying to make a go of this, losing revenue, making it harder to make margins. We've had significant cultural upheaval. There have been political upheaval in this past year like we've not seen in a long time. Truly, we have been living in uncharted territories. And I'm sure that your business has experienced the same sort of upheaval. And there are a lot of businesses that saw their revenue drop off a cliff. There are some businesses that have seen their revenue skyrocket because of opportunities that they didn't have otherwise. And I'm sure in many of your businesses, you've seen projects fall by the wayside, customers pull back and either delay or just completely stop their projects. Or maybe on the other hand, in some of this time, you've had customers who've seen this as a great time to invest in their homes or their businesses and have new projects and bigger projects. So regardless of what the situation is, we have been living in uncharted territory and it's been hard to navigate. It's not clear where this is going. Think about some of the business leaders who have written and studied business and good business practices. Some of their basic principles are still valid, whether that's Jim Collins in some of the work that he did, Vern Harnish, Mastering the Rockefeller Habits. Pat Lencioni has some good work that he's done. These and many others all point to the same basic principles that still are at play, regardless of the chaos.